Crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash. Oh my goodness. Well, just catching up on all of the things that I had gotten in um, Craft Day at HSN a few weeks ago. So forgive me for not getting back and to the swing of things for a little while. Had things going on here, but wanted to show you um, if you love Anna Griffin, you will love this vintage travel card toppers set. And it has a ton of things in it. Now, it was on sale, and of course, you get 5% or $5 shipping on everything that you buy when it is a craft day. And there is one coming up in March, the first week of March, so be tuned to that. Anyway, I'll just show you what was in this and then some of the things that I made. First, you have the sentiments, and these are all the decoupage. Now, if you have Anna Griffin, you might or might not know that all of the decoupage pieces have sticker on them. For the longest time, I was putting liquid adhesive, or I was putting whatever on it, not even knowing, not even thinking about it. But if it has, if it is layered, if it's a 3D, it is a sticker. So beware of that. So lots of different sentiments, a lot of them having to do with travel. Now, I don't have a lot of friends that travel, but I thought that these were really cute and I could use everything else in here. But they did have some birthday and smile will travel and embrace the detours. And so you can use them for other things besides that. And bon voyage. So if you have a lot of friends that do cruises or travel a lot, this is the one for you. It also comes with the bows in red and off-white, and lots of paper. Now, I've used up a lot of these, but it's 3 sheets of each, and they are double-sided. So these are the double sides, and very, very cute. Love the colors, very vintage, and very tropical because I live in Florida, so it really applies to me. And also, you get a big sheet of the dimensional pieces, so you can pop things up and pop dots on there. So we also have a ton, and I mean a ton, of embellishments. Now they come in packets of the gold foil, and there are so many. I can't even begin to go through all of them, but lots of little cars and suitcases, cute postcard looking things. You have palm trees and passports and compasses, just so many different things. Love this fishing one, and lots of flowers. You have lemons, just tons and tons. It just goes on and on and on. So take a look at that online. I will put the description. They still have them available, so I'll put the link to the HSN product item number and all of that down below. So make sure you look at that if you're interested. And then here are some of the cards that I made. Now, as you know, I am not much for creating my own. So what I do is, they're always showing examples during the show. So watch the show, I pin them and make sure that I watch them over and over again. And I just copy what she's done on these. So these are just the card tops that, and I haven't put them on cards yet. I'll just put them on a 5x7 card base, but I just put these together as I see them, and they're just so simple to do. So copy, copy, copy. That's what I do. And I get a little creative if I distress or distress that or something. I might change the sentiment on it, but basically, it's exactly what they've done. So if you're not creative, like I'm not creative, just copy. And they're happy to have you do that because they want you to use up the product, and I want you to use up the product. Don't let it sit there and not do anything. So that's why when I get these and I show them to you, I try to use up as much as I can when I do it, because you know the next great thing is coming up and you're not going to get back to it. So when you get something, use it up. And then you have these all ready to send out. And I do a lot of sending. I don't let them sit in a pile. They're not piling up someplace. I send out 5, 10 cards, easily 15 cards a month or more. So this is what I do. But how cute is that? Lots of the foiling, and I pop them up, give them some dimension. And so there you go. This is the Anna Griffin Vintage Travel Card Topper Set. And hope you'll check that out. And I'll put the information down below and you can see for yourself. So I'm coming up with some more. Lots of things to look forward to. So subscribe, like, link, share, do all that sort of thing. I will talk to you real soon. Have a great day. Go craft.